Innovation is very important to Fujitsu. It's always been the bedrock of what we do. Since the company formed in 1935, Fujitsu has led the world in the innovation of information and communication technology, or ICT as we call it. As a result, we're now one of the world's leading ICT providers, with 170,000 employees working with customers in more than 100 countries all around the globe. One of the milestones that really established Fujitsu was our first computer, the FACOM100 in 1954. This was Japan's first automatic relay computer, and the era of mainframe computing had begun. With the establishment of Fujitsu laboratories in 1968, many world firsts were to follow, including a groundbreaking satellite communication system introduced in 1973, providing a data line between the US and with Spain. This was followed in 1974 with the world's first virtual machine mainframe. Then in 1981, Fujitsu introduced the world's first fully digital electronic switching system, and the same year, our first personal computer. In 1988, we launched the world's first commercial ISDN line, while in 1992, Fujitsu introduced the world's first 21-inch color plasma screen. In 1994, we followed that with the world's first network multiplayer game, a CD-ROM player connecting to a TV, allowing people to enjoy sophisticated home entertainment. In 2002, Fujitsu pioneered the use of energy-efficient biodegradable plastic in our notebook computers. The following year, we introduced contactless palm vein authentication, a technology that allows a person's identity to be verified through unique patterns of blood veins in their palm. Then in 2005, Fujitsu introduced the world's first electronic paper, followed in 2006 with the world's thinnest 12-inch monitor notebook. In 2009, we launched the world's first 0-watt PC, and a year later, the world's first 0-watt server. In 2011, Fujitsu introduced the world's fastest supercomputer, the K computer, developed in partnership with Riken, Japan's leading research institute. The K computer operates at a speed of 10 quadrillion calculations per second. To give you an idea of just how fast that is, imagine all 7 billion people in the world having a calculator, performing one calculation per second, 24 hours a day, non-stop. It would take the world's population approximately 17 days to do what the K computer can do in just 1 second. This incredible speed makes supercomputers ideal for the most complex calculations and simulations. At Fujitsu, we see ICT as more than a means of improving productivity. We see it as a rich capability to help people collaborate and to make better decisions and to create value. We see ICT continuing to break down the boundaries between science and engineering and to enable important new breakthroughs. In space, Fujitsu delivers the ICT to enable satellites and probes to reliably carry out their missions. Our high-performance technology is also used to build the ground-based systems that track, control and receive data transmitted from space. In astronomy, Fujitsu provides high-performance systems for some of the world's largest telescopes. Our systems gather vast volumes of data from the distant universe with unprecedented levels of sensitivity and resolution. For weather forecasting, we provide the systems that collect, process and distribute data around the clock. And as well as forecasting, the data helps to orchestrate response plans to impending extreme weather conditions, helping to save lives. In medical research, Fujitsu supports some of the world's leading research organizations by providing non-stop, high-volume measurement and analytical systems. These allow researchers to turn the massive data streams they collect into new scientific discoveries and findings. In health services, we are pioneering the use of cloud technology to improve the sharing and analysis of real-time patient information. improving in-home care for an aging population. And in agriculture, again, Fujitsu technology is changing the way farmers can monitor and manage the health of both crops and livestock. And in energy supply, our innovation is helping organisations to find the optimal balance between renewable and conventional sources of energy. By applying our technology in ways like this, Fujitsu is helping people around the world to exploit the benefits of new insights and knowledge. Fujitsu's commitment to innovation will ensure that we will continue to realise the full potential of ICT for the benefit of our customers and for society as a whole. Shaping tomorrow with you.